Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by connecting your Google Ads account to Analytics and Merchant Center so data flows freely. Once connected, pick 1 to 3 measurable goals like CPA or ROAS. This guides AI bidding and creative choices. Upload asset groups now, headlines, descriptions, images, and logos, so the system can assemble variations. Make sure conversion tracking is live and accurate. Without it, the AI will optimize blindly. Start campaigns with modest budgets to let models learn without overspending, and monitor the initial learning window closely. Once the campaign is running, shift focus to optimization. Enable Performance Max or responsive search, and choose an automated bidding strategy that matches your goals. You should segment audiences and layer signals like remarketing lists and in-market segments to steer AI decisions. Add negative keywords and refine asset combinations to improve relevance. This reduces waste. Check conversion lag and attribution windows so you understand timing. Make incremental changes every 3 to 7 days to preserve model learning and compare performance before and after. You wrap up by scaling budgets and expanding audiences only after performance stabilizes. Sudden increases can reset AI learning. Use experiments or drafts to test new bidding strategies or creatives before applying them account-wide. Reallocate spend toward top-performing asset groups and pause persistent low performers. If performance declines, audit conversion tracking first, then recent budget or targeting changes, and finally creative freshness. A quick troubleshooting tip. If conversions vanish, revert to the previous best-performing campaign settings while you diagnose tracking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.